Wheels Up Membership Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. You won't believe how private aviation is evolving. Wheels Up membership in 2025 offers access to private flights, flexible scheduling, and luxury perks, but is it worth the investment? Wheels Up provides a membership-based model where users can book private flights on demand, enjoy guaranteed availability, and benefit from concierge services. The surprising truth is convenience. Most people get this wrong by assuming private aviation is exclusive and inflexible. Wheels Up makes it accessible and streamlined. Another advantage is lifestyle perks. You won't believe what happens next when you see added benefits like event access, partner discounts, and VIP experiences, making membership more than just transportation. For frequent flyers, this can transform travel efficiency and comfort. However, cons exist. Membership fees are high and may not suit occasional flyers. Flight costs, though discounted for members, are still premium. Some locations may have limited availability, and terms may be restrictive for certain routes. In conclusion, Wheels Up membership in 2025 is ideal for frequent travelers seeking luxury, convenience, and time-saving solutions. It provides a seamless private aviation experience, but comes with significant cost. For those flying sporadically, alternatives like charter or fractional ownership may be more economical, but for committed members, Wheels Up offers unmatched convenience and perks.